Artificial intelligence is moving faster than ever, and while ChatGPT is the most famous AI assistant, it's not the only choice anymore. In 2025, we have several alternatives, some better for research, some for productivity, some for creativity, and even some for emotional support. In this video, we'll go through the top 10 ChatGPT alternatives in 2025, covering their features, pricing, and the purpose they serve so you can decide which one is right for you. The first on our list is Claude AI by Anthropic. Claude is highly praised for its advanced reasoning power and its ability to handle extremely long documents, up to 200,000 tokens, which means hundreds of pages. It is excellent for legal research, academic papers, and deep analysis. Claude is available for free with limited use, but its Claude Pro plan costs around $20 per month, giving faster responses and more access. If your main purpose is professional research or complex writing, Claude is one of the best options. Second is Google Gemini, Google's answer to ChatGPT. The biggest strength of Gemini is its integration with Google services like Gmail, Docs, Drive, and Android. It's also multimodal, meaning it can understand text, images, audio, and even video. Gemini offers creative tools like storybook generation, coding help, and deep data insights. The basic version is free, while the Gemini Advanced plan comes with Google One AI Premium at about $20 per month. If you're already in the Google ecosystem and need AI for creativity, productivity, and media tasks, Gemini is perfect. Third, we have Microsoft Copilot, which is built directly into Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Its main strength is productivity. It can draft reports, summarize long documents, generate presentations, and even analyze Excel spreadsheets with formulas. Copilot is included in Microsoft 365 plans, with pricing starting at around $30 per user per month for business accounts. It's best for students, office workers, and companies that use Microsoft tools daily. At number 4 is Perplexity AI, often called the AI-powered search engine. Unlike most AI chatbots, Perplexity provides real-time answers with sources and citations, making it highly reliable for research and fact-checking. It's great for journalists, students, and anyone who needs accurate, up-to-date knowledge. Perplexity is free to use, but its Pro plan costs about $20 per month and unlocks access to more advanced models like GPT-4 and Claude. Number 5 is Grok by xAI, created by Elon Musk's company. Grok stands out with its witty and bold personality, often giving entertaining or sarcastic answers. It supports file uploads, live data from Twitter, and image generation, and it even has an unhinged mode for more fun conversations. Grok is free for basic use, but is included in X Premium Plus, which costs around $16 per month. If you want a chatbot for fun, social media, and casual use, Grok is the way to go. At number 6 is Meta AI, available inside Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. It's designed for social use, allowing you to share prompts, images, and AI-generated content directly with friends. Meta AI is free, as it's built into Meta's apps, and it's best for people who want AI inside their social media life, whether for creative posts or casual conversations. Number 7 is DeepSeek, a free and open-source AI model that surprised the world by matching the performance of expensive models like ChatGPT in reasoning and coding. It's highly cost-efficient, developer-friendly, and great for people who want AI without paying high subscription fees. Since it's open source, the base version is free, though some hosted platforms might charge small fees. At number 8, we have Character.ai, which is completely different from professional assistants. Here, the focus is on creative roleplay and entertainment. You can chat with historical figures, fictional characters, or even create your own AI personality. It's free to use, but they offer a subscription called Character.ai Plus at $10 per month for faster responses. If your purpose is storytelling, role-playing, or fun conversations, Character.ai is ideal. Number 9 is Replica, which is designed for companionship and emotional support. Many people use it as a digital friend or partner to talk about their feelings. It's not the best for research or productivity, but it's very popular among those looking for empathy and personal connection. Replica is free with limited access, and its Pro plan costs around $15 to $20 per month, offering more features like video calls and roleplay. Finally, at number 10, we have regional AI bots. These include ErnieBot by Baidu in China, Yandex GPT in Russia, and Sberbank's GigaChat. They are strong in their local languages and markets, with features like text, coding, and even image or music generation. Most of these are free or included in regional tech ecosystems, and they are mainly useful for local language support and cultural relevance. So, those are the top 10 ChatGPT alternatives in 2025. If you need deep reasoning, Claude is your best pick. If you want Google integration, Gemini is unmatched. For productivity, Microsoft Copilot leads. For fact-checking and real-time research, Perplexity is amazing. For fun and social conversations, Grok and Character.ai are great. And if you want emotional support, Replica is perfect. Which one of these AI tools are you most excited to try? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more updates on AI and technology. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.